Hello students, welcome to our English grammar class. In your previous lesson, you have already learnt what is a verb. Action words or doing words are also called as verbs. Today, we shall learn a new topic, adverbs. With the help of some examples, we shall learn what are adverbs and some of its kinds. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that add meaning to verbs, adjectives, or some adverbs in a sentence. We can also call them how, when, and where words. They tell us how an action is done, when it is done, and where it is done. In this lesson, we shall learn about adverbs of manner, adverbs of time, and adverbs of place. Adverbs of manner. Now, look at the pictures and the sentences given below. The students are sitting silently. Joy runs fast. Suman rides neatly. The child weeps loudly. The old man walks slowly. The soldiers fought bravely. In the above sentences, the bold words add something to the meaning of verbs. They tell us how an action is done. They are called adverbs of manner. Example: silently, fast, neatly, loudly, slowly, bravely, etc. We often add ly to adjectives to change them into adverbs of manner. Slowly, carefully, heavily, angrily, etc. Adverbs of place. Look at the example given. Child, look outside. Rohan, come here. Sushil, come inside. My school is nearby. Please come in. Raman, go upstairs. In the above sentences, the bold words tell us where the action is done. They are called adverbs of place. Example: outside, everywhere, upstairs, inside, up, down, here, above, away are some of the examples for adverbs of place. Adverbs of time. Examples are: Hari will finish the painting tomorrow. I seldom eat fast food. The zoo is open daily. We go shopping weekly. We shall look at some more examples. I go to school every day. My friend came yesterday. Why did you come late? My grandmother gets up early. Mukesh will go to the circus tomorrow. In the above sentences, the bold words tell us when the action has been done. They are called adverbs of time. Let us look at other examples for adverbs of time. Today, never, yesterday, tomorrow, soon, later, early, often, daily, always, again, weekly, seldom, etc. We shall revise in short what we have learned in this lesson. Adverbs are the words which add something to the meaning of verbs. They tell us how, where, and when the action is done. Kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner tells us how the action is done. Adverbs of time tells us when the action is done. Adverbs of place tells us where the action is done. Let's do an activity now. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. The words are there, now, brightly, last night, everywhere, swiftly. The sun was shining brightly. The market was crowded. There were people everywhere. We moved into our new apartment last night. Please call him now. The mouse ran swiftly. Keep the book there. Kindly watch the video carefully to solve the exercise given at the end of this lesson. Thank you.